Information and Communication Technology or ICT plays a crucial role in modern education. It is not only a supporting tool but also a driving force for transforming educational system into more inclusive, flexible, and sustainable learning environments. First, ICT supports digital and online learning through a learning platforms, learning management system, and digital research. Teaching and learning are no longer limited by time and place. This flexibility allows students to access learning materials anytime and anywhere, which is especially important in today's global and digital society. Second, ICT improves access and flexibility in education. Students from different geographical and socio-economic backgrounds are able to access the same learning resource. ICT also enables personalized learning, allowing students to learn at their own pace and according to their individual needs. Third, ICT promotes inclusive education. Digital technologies provide various learning supports, such as multimedia content and assistive tools, which help accommodate diverse learners. In this way, ICT aligns with the goals of sustainable education, particularly Sustainable Development Goal 4, which emphasizes quality and inclusive education. However, despite its strong potential, ICT integration in education often fails in practice. Many institutions adopt technology, but the expected improvement in learning outcomes does not always occur. This issue highlights the need to look beyond technology itself. Information and Although ICT offers many benefits, its implementation still faces major challenge. The main problem identified in the article is that ICT integration is often understood only in technical terms. Educational institutions tend to focus on providing device, software, and internet access, while neglecting non-technical factors that are equally important. One major issue is the lack of effective communication among educational stakeholders. Interaction between teachers, students, parents, administrators, and institutions is often weak or uncoordinated. As a result, ICT is frequently used only as a content delivery tool rather than as a medium for meaningful interaction and collaboration. Previous studies have mainly focused on technological tools and infrastructure. While these studies highlight technological advancement, they pay limited attention to communication process and human interaction in learning environments. This lack of communication leads to the ineffective collaboration and poor integration of ICT into teaching and learning practice. Therefore, the research gap lies in the absence of a structured communication-based approach to ICT integration. The article addressed this gap by shifting the focus from technology alone to communication as a key factor in achieving effective and sustainable ICT integration in education. The literature review in this study highlights several important points. First, many studies emphasize that ICT expands access to education by supporting digital and online learning. ICT enables flexible learning environments and increases educational opportunities for learners from diverse backgrounds. However, previous research also shows that increased access does not always lead to improved learning outcomes. This suggests that technology alone is not sufficient to enhance educational equality. Second, much of the existing literature focuses on technological tools and infrastructure such as learning platforms and digital devices. Less attention is given to pedagogy, communication, and interaction among learners and educators. Finally, recent studies emphasize the importance of communication in achieving sustainable education. Effective interaction and collaboration among stakeholders are essential for ensuring that ICT is used meaningfully and supports long-term educational goals. Based on these findings, the literature suggests that ICT should function not only as a technological research but also as a communication tool. Their perspective supports the article's proposal of a communication-based model for sustainable ICT integration in education.
Moving on the purpose of the study, the objective of this research is centered around three key pillars. First, to research on ICT integration in education, we aim to evaluate how information and communication technology is being implemented and its overall impact on the learning environment. Second, to promote sustainable development, this study seeks to ensure that technological advances in schooling alignment with long-term sustainable goals. Identify effective communication strategies. We want to determine the best method for sharing information and fostering collaboration with this digital educational framework. Slide. Moving on the methodology. This research in conceptual study, meaning it focuses on developing a new framework rather than conducting field experiment. To build this model, the research asked territorial analysis. The author reviewed current trends and identified a significant communication gap in how ICT is implemented today. In our group participation, we also supported our understanding by looking into McCart's 2025 literature review, which feature highlights how communication and interaction are the missing pieces in sustainable education. So, instead of using survey or participants, this study establishes various educational theories and ICT models. The goal is to provide in theoretical advance and new communication-based model that guides future teachers to use technology more effectively and sustainable. To this slide, based on the review literature, the study identified several benefits of using ICT in education. ICT can improve access to learning, increase student motivation, and support innovative teaching practices. However, the study also highlights several challenges that included the digital divide, lack of teacher training, and poor communication among educational stakeholders. These challenges often prevent ICT from being used effectively in educational settings. The authors emphasize the importance of promoting sustainable development through education. In particular, this study aims to identify effective communication strategies that can support better ICT integration in the learning process.
Propose conceptual models. These conceptual models emphasize centralized digital communication in education, where the student becomes the core of interaction. Students are connected through a digital platform with key stakeholders, including teachers, parents, administrators, NGOs, and community partners. The model is guided by four main principles: is accessibility, fluidity, security, and ease of use. These principles ensure that communication of smoothly, information is easily accessed, data remains secure, and the system is user-friendly for all participation. Through this integrated communication system, collaboration and support for students can be strengthened effectively. Next, contribution to SDGs. This model contributes to several sustainable development goals. First, SDG 4 is quality education by improving communication and learning access. Second, SDG 9 is innovation through the use ICT in educational communication. Third, SDG 10 is reduce inequalities by providing equal access to information and support. Lastly, SDG 17 is partnership by encouraging collaboration among educational institutions and external partners. Overall, this model represents a communication-based ICT approach towards sustainable education. Personal reflection. We would like to share our personal reflection. During the ICT in ALT course, we gain hands-on experience using tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and Google Classroom. However, our biggest lesson was realizing that having digital tools is not enough. Technology is just a platform. Without effective interaction between student and lecturer, learning feels incomplete. We personally experienced the communication gap mentioned in the research. We face several challenges such as: first, communication barriers is misunderstanding written interaction online. Second, lack of interaction is feeling isolated when only using AI tools without discussion. Third, delayed feedback is the struggle of waiting for response compared to real-time classroom talk. This challenge provide the article's point is to achieve sustainable learning. We must improve our communication through the stalls. When we start communicating better, our collaboration and project results improve significantly. As future teachers, we now understand that our job is not just to provide gadgets, but to ensure that technology actually connect people, not just deliver content. Next, key takeaway. In conclusion, technology alone is not enough. Effective communication is essential. The integration of ICT and strong communication practice plays a crucial role in supporting sustainable education. Thank you.